So here we are, Harborside Resort at Atlantis in Nassau, Bahamas on Paradise Island. Are you planning a trip here in the near future? Or maybe you've just booked a night using your Vistana star options while you're here on a cruise stop? Well, if you want to see what a one-bedroom villa looks like, I'm going to take you on a tour of ours right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. We're here, Harborside Resort at Atlantis. We're going to take a tour through the one-bedroom villa that we actually booked using star options just for one night while we're here on the beautiful Carnival Freedom on a cruise port stop here in Nassau. We're going to go in here and take a look at this room in just a minute. But before we do, I want to let you know on this channel, I provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. And even if you don't own timeshare, but you like videos like this, villa tours, resort and resort reviews, well, I do those too. So I know that's the kind of stuff you want to see. Be sure to stick around and hit that subscribe button down below. And also click on that notification bell and you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. So let's head inside here. Take a look at this one-bedroom villa here at Harborside Resort at Atlantis. Okay, so room 2713. Let's head inside and check it out. Okay, so as soon as you come in to the villa here, you do have just a small living area, dining room area over there for 4 people, so a dining room table for 4. Sofa here that I'm pretty sure does pull out into a sleeper sofa. Yep, it does. There is a pull out in there. Nice window here, but this window does look out into the breezeway, so keep that in mind. There might be people walking back and forth there. Nice little side table. And a coffee table over here too. And over here, you do have a nice big flat screen television, atop a big TV stand with a Bose sound system. Not sure if there's anything else in here. Let's see. Looks like we do have some storage in here, so there's a few drawers and the in-room safe. So let's close that up. We'll continue on in here. We do have, like I pointed out, that dining room table for 4 people. I also want to mention there is a ceiling fan in here, so definitely a nice thing to have. And as we continue back in here, you do have a small kitchen area. Keep in mind, no oven, just an apartment-sized dishwasher and apartment-sized refrigerator with a 2-burner cooktop here. You do have, of course, some starting supplies, toaster, coffee maker, and a knife block over there, microwave oven, and up in the cabinets here, looks like you do have silverware and dinnerware for 4 people. See what else we have in these cupboards. Yeah, some additional bowls and glassware. There is a corkscrew and a bottle opener in there as well. And what do we maybe have up here? Well, just a strainer and looks like maybe a small salad bowl. Down underneath here, looks like, well, they got some strange stuff underneath the sink. You have pot and a skillet down there, as long as with a kind of get a serving dish, and a few drawers here. Well, there's some cooking utensils. That one doesn't open. And here, well, there you have some more cooking utensils, and well, just a couple of pot holders. And this does open into, well, not a whole lot. Well, there is a blender back there, way back in there. There's a blender and a pitcher. Now let's take a look inside the refrigerator and freezer. There's the freezer with an ice maker and just a small refrigerator here. Like I said, just an apartment size fridge, nothing too big. And then as we continue back here, I believe in here is where we're going to find the in-room laundry. So stacked washer and dryer there. You do have a little bit of extra bedding, some pillows, ironing board, and there's even a sweeper down there as well. Now let's back up just a little bit here. We're going to head in here, take a look at the bathroom. It's actually a pretty good sized bathroom. All tile floors here pretty much throughout, except for in the living room, but pretty good size bathroom here. Single vanity. You do have a hair dryer, shaving slash makeup mirror, big mirror there on the wall, plenty of towels. And then over here, looks like a jetted bathtub. Yep, it's got some jets in it. Not sure how well those will work, but it has them. And then an overhead shower as well. So nice big bathtub here with a shower in this room at Harborside at Atlantis. Now we'll continue through this other doorway that actually leads us into the bedroom. So here you have nice king size bed, a couple of nightstands, one on each side, alarm clock over there. I'm not seeing any exposed USB or power anywhere there. So you'll have to kind of hunt to find some place to plug in your devices. But we do have another television here, a top, a dresser, and it looks like a Blu-ray player down here as well. So that is pretty cool to have. We're starting to see those kind of disappear at a lot of the timeshare units. And then in here, it looks like we do just have a small closet for some storage. There's a luggage rack on the bottom. And hey, it's also where you'll find the full-length mirror. Sometimes they put those in some tricky places to find. But yeah, pretty good size bedroom here. And I'll point out, it does also have a ceiling fan. Now there really isn't a balcony or patio here at all. Kind of just a French balcony, they call them, I guess. Let's see if we can get this open. Yeah, it does slide open, but it doesn't go anywhere. You just have this railing here so you can open it. You can hear the water, and where we're at, we're only on the second floor. Well, we have a lot of trees blocking the view over there to Atlantis. Okay, so there you have it. The one bedroom villa tour here at Harborside Resort at Atlantis in Nassau, Bahamas, here on Paradise Island. Kind of curious, do you have a trip planned here in the near future? I'd love to hear all about it. Let me know down in the comments below. And like I mentioned earlier, we're here just on a day stop with our cruise using our Vistana star option. So a great way to save some money instead of paying those big prices for cruise ship excursions to Atlantis. But if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out these videos. To see more videos all about timeshare, check out the description box below. And for another video from here at Harborside Resort at Atlantis, check out this one right up here. And YouTube, they think you'll like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.